Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy community since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the Katy market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Beautiful one-story light and bright home in Hickory Creek, next to Seven Meadows. Kitchen open to the large living room with gas fireplace. Brand new carpet to be installed throughout the home. Established, quiet neighborhood with mature trees. Zoned to highly acclaimed Katy ISD schools. Easy access to West Park Toll Road and 99. Call to make your appointment today. This home won't last long.